A few months ago, my friend Jake was all in on TikTok food trends. He's the guy who reviews and recreates viral recipes, but his videos just weren't hitting. One night we were in his kitchen and he said, "I've done everything, trendy hashtags, funny edits, but nothing's working." I could see he was ready to quit. That's when I told him, "Jake, you're just copying trends. What if you make it your own?" He looked skeptical but curious, so I said, "Let me show you. I've got an idea." I pitched him a twist on a viral baked feta pasta recipe, but instead of using the usual ingredients, we level it up with bold flavors. I promised him it'd stand out. We got to work. Here's how we made it. 1 block of feta cheese, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves peeled, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, fresh basil, a handful, 250 grams of pasta. We used penne. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a baking dish and place the block of feta cheese in the middle. Surround it with cherry tomatoes and garlic cloves. Step 2. Drizzle olive oil generously over everything. Then sprinkle the chili flakes, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This is where the magic starts. Those spices are gonna take the flavors to the next level. Step 3. Pop the dish in the oven and bake for 25 minutes, or until the tomatoes burst and the feta gets beautifully soft. Step 4. While that's baking, boil your pasta in salted water. Save half a cup of the pasta water before draining. It's going to make the sauce silky. Step 5. Once the feta and tomatoes are done, mash everything together with a fork right in the baking dish. Add the cooked pasta and a splash of that pasta water. Mix until it's all creamy and coated. Top it off with fresh basil for that final touch. Step 6. Serve it up and get ready to dig in. The next day, Jake uploaded a video featuring this twist. At first it was slow, but by evening it started blowing up. Comments were rolling in like, "This is the best version of the baked feta pasta I've seen," and "Genius twist with the spices." It quickly became his most viewed video. Seeing that happen was proof that making a recipe your own really works. The big takeaway here? Stop just following trends. Add your twist. Whether it's a new spice or a fresh ingredient, make it personal. You'll never know what works unless you try. Now it's your turn to create something amazing.